Join me today as I join Shubsan Construction Company to go on a tour of their properties. This is a new and innovative construction company in Hargeisa. You wouldn't believe the speed and level of quality that these mansions are being built. Yep, I said mansions. They specialize in mansion builds, and we will be going on a handful of mansion tours. Finally get to give you guys some luxury property tours in Hargeisa. So I'm just on tour today with Shubsan Construction Company, and they're taking me around a bunch of their properties. I'm going to show you guys. So join me. This is the founder.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is Shubsan Construction Company from Hargeisa. We are using technology. We are trying to bring better houses to the rest of Somaliland. We started in Hargeisa. Inshallah, this is our second year, and hopefully we have about 20 projects going on. Our houses are all solid concrete without any bricks. So inshallah, we welcome you.
I'll show you guys a bunch of their properties today. And yeah, you'll see how they utilize space without using bricks, all concrete houses.
Houses we build them 40 days.
40 days?
10. 4. And we are going another 4 left.
So when she says it's actually this thing.
Yeah.
Instead of says.
This is the wall. These are the walls. We have a panel on the side, another panel on that side. We have the electricity. One is inside, one is outside. Then we put everything inside. We put the rebars, that's the steel for the concrete. Okay? We put the cables for the wiring. We put the sockets where they're going to sit. We put pipes, sewage pipes, water pipes. Everything is inserted in between the wall. In between the wall. And once we do that, then later on it's very easy now to run. You see, we have everything. Later on it's very easy.
Oh, it's a big bird.
Okay. This is a three-bedroom unit.
So this is way smaller than usual chachur, 12.5 centimeters, where you can save space in your whole house. Genius technology, genius. So this is an apartment, which I'm very lost and confused in. So I'll come back and show you guys the finished product because it's genius. Like literally, I think 3 or 5 houses, families. What's the plot that it's sitting on?
2 plots.
It's only 2 plots, and you've made 7 units. Incredible. Incredible. That's utilizing space, yeah, with technology. You can see there's still so much of the plot left over. This is all only sitting on 2 plots. So now we're making our way on site where we get to see how these non-brick houses are assembled. The foundation of the house takes only 10 days, which I find hard to believe, but I actually came back in 3 days and I could see that this house was nearly complete. I think I saw it over here. So like in between here, what was Shubham?
Yes.
Okay. I see. For example, it's in here that Lashuaya. And all the electrics are already in Markasa Salakira, yeah?
Keep reusing them.
Right.
Because we always reuse them when we're done. I take it to a different site.
Oh, this is a perfect example. See, all the pipes are already inside, and then this will be closed off like this.
And these ones, the water pipes.
Even the floor, right? Yeah. The engineers, or are they Somali and Kenyan? Like this guy.
Some are Somaliland.
This is done.
I definitely got way too excited to see this cool feature that all their mansions come with. Automatic car door opener. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I am tired of opening my door manually myself. Second most stunning feature of Shubsan, these staircases. Come on, get into this. This is luxury. These are why they're called mansions. Stay tuned for an incredible series of mansion tours across Hargeisa with Shubsan Construction Company. If you wanted any more information or details on these homes, feel free to send me an email. And stay tuned to the next couple episodes where I take you inside these beautiful mansions and give you guys a full detailed tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next episode, guys.